What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Two Deals video, and today I shopped at Temu. So, first off, I just want to say some stuff about Temu. Temu is the equivalent of like AliExpress. If you've ever shopped over there, they're going to be, it's like Amazon basically, and a lot of stuff is on Amazon, but for more money. So, if you've ever shopped at one of those places, or even Amazon, you gotta like be careful who you buy from. It's good to always check reviews, but then again, sometimes that could get you messed up in the game too. And as you will see in a minute. So anyway, I bought stuff and I have some more stuff on the way too. In total, I didn't even spend $200 on all this stuff, and I'm gonna show you the other stuff through the app on my phone. But let's go ahead and get into these items first. So first up, I've seen these before a while ago, and being living alone now and having to move furniture and stuff around, these are useful. So what these do, they're like, let me just tell you what I'm using them for. I use them to lift furniture, like the one side of the furniture, so I can slip like a furniture dolly under them. And so what you do is basically slide it under and jack it up. You jack it up, and then it'll hold it up until you put something under there to wheel it around. Now, right here, it'll say it'll hold 200 pounds. I could have sworn it held more than that. But anyway, I did use one to lift up my cage with my weights on it, and that was more than 200 pounds, and it did it with ease. So that's saying something. That's saying for both of them, so like 100 pounds each. But anyway, these were totally worth it. It was $37. They generally cost about 45 or so on Amazon last I checked. Moving on is this. I ain't gonna. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say that for last, y'all, because that thing. Whoo! Anyway, moving on, we have this knife sharpener. It's only $2.98, and I have a knife that I use every day. And that got dull, so I just got this to see if it could sharpen it before I bought something more expensive from Walmart or Amazon. And so let me just tell you, it has three little slots. It has one with like a diamond tapered rod here. Then you have carbide sharpeners. Then you have a ceramic sharpener. I use a ceramic sharpener because it's regular like stainless steel knife. And I rubbed it through, and it was like, and I'm like, rubbed through, and I was thinking this thing is some bull crap. Then I rubbed it through again. It was like, sing. I said, uh-oh. I did it again, sing. And that was it. It really only took like 3 swipes. So I think I did 4. And then I went to peel some zucchini. Oh my gosh, that thing is sharp as a blade. I mean, it is a blade, but you get what I'm saying. It was dull as not a blade the first time, and now it's super sharp for $2.98. Totally worth it. Moving on. Oh, I got to tell y'all about this bad boy right here. Look at this. You looking at, y'all know I love my flashlights. You looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close my eye, 15 million lumens. You see that? This man is holding the sun in his hands right there. So I got this, and oh my gosh, yo, when I charge this thing up, USB-C charger right here, I charge this thing up and went to hit that power button. First off, I tried to peel it back right here because I didn't really know, and completely peeled the power button off. It was, quite a bit of a joke. But that flashlight, though, I pressed that on button, y'all, and it gave me every bit of like 1,200 lumens. That thing is sad. And the build quality is plastic. This is what people be talking about OLED. I'm like, see, when I first got introduced to OLED, before I actually got a flashlight in my hand, this is exactly what I thought I'd get. I thought I was going to get this. And when people be in the comments talk about OLED, this is not they. And I'm going to make a video about it, but this thing is terrible. It is interesting that this lights up, and it does light up red and blue, which I didn't even notice at first. I just wanted to get the flashlight to try it and to compare it to the OLEDs. What a joke. Don't buy this. But especially if you want to get pulled over by the cops. That's kind of cool if you want to go to jail. It flashes red and blue lights looking just like cops throwing in your dashboard. And there you go. Then we have this dryer vent brush. It's quite large. You see some of them, they'll come and they'll be really small. I already use mine because I need to clean my lint trap pretty badly. It does a great job. $2.98. It's the exact same one is at Home Depot, and it's by Everbuilt. They just bought it from Temu out somewhere, and they just said it's ever built, and they sent it over to Home Depot and they sent it for $9. So there you go, $2.98 with free shipping on all orders for the next couple days. Moving on, we have this magnetic pickup antenna. I lose every one I get, and I think I've already lost this one. I made sure I kind of got a fatter one, so it wasn't like this little skinny one that comes in a little toolkits. Lose those instantly. They get stuck to something because the magnet's so strong, then I never see it again. But I got a larger one. I think I still lost it, and it worked just like it's supposed to. $1.99. That was a good buy. Let me show y'all the picture. Yeah, looks just like this, and it's a nice size. Then I got some brake caliper hangers. That's self-explanatory. Brake caliper hangers. These obviously were as described. They're very rigid. They don't bend or flex or anything like that. Very rigid. And then they have a little, it's not going to break anything because you have these tips on there, which might fall off. I don't know. But, $4.48 there. Then this broom. I saw this broom. I said, man, this thing look like a toy. But you guys already see it. Y'all work with your hands. You already see the benefits of this broom. I can't tell you how nasty it is to sweep stuff up. And they got to peel that crap off of my hands and throw it in the trash. This right here has a comb. And it just combs it. And it's perfect. Everything stands up. I didn't even know it could fold up like this. I don't know where I've been. But the way I store it, I just leave this down. And it stands up on its own. But yes, this was totally worth the $13.97. There you are. That was totally worth it. And last but not least, it's not last but not least because we got to go over the stuff on the app. Fellas and lady, the one lady that's watching this. Look, when I got this thing, I felt like, I thought it was going to be some BS when I got it. When I bought it. It's $28. I thought it was going to be trash. Oh my God. It's so heavy duty, super sharp. Let's just walk through what this is, okay? First off, on the bottom, you have a compass. I don't know if the compass is accurate. I got to check it. I tried to check it with my phone, but my phone was being weird, so I don't know if the phone was inaccurate or the compass was inaccurate. But let's just say the compass was inaccurate. It has a little piece of paracord on there. It's like a thin piece of paracord, but it still won't fly off your wrist or anything like that. It has a little glass hammer on the end. It has an emergency whistle. I don't know why I just put my lips on that without cleaning it. Don't do that. It got some oily stuff on there. That's for emergencies only, but clean it. Has a fire stick to start fires. You have an extension bar. You have a fish knife. Be careful. It's going to come is with a little, separate from everything else, with a little cardboard covering over it. Keep it in the cardboard while you're screwing it into the handle to go into this other one, okay? It's super sharp. And then you have this axe head up here, super sharp. Then you got a hammer on the back. Now, what they don't advertise is that you can just take the axe head off. You got a whole baton. You are straight up Nightwing out here. I was running around the house, flipping it around with my friend that was showing pow, 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 pow. I felt like Jackie Chan meets John Wick with this thing because, it's pretty amazing. Like, it really is. Now, before we move over to the app, real quick, I want to all just tell you, of course, Rakuten, 10% cash back. What's retail me not talking about? Nothing. But you do get 50% off your order. I do have a little coupon code here, so I'll leave one of those in the description as well. But you have 10% cash back. And again, if you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description to sign up. You'll get $40 bonus cash back in addition to the 10% cash back. Now let's move on over to the app so you can see the other stuff that has not arrived yet. All right, we're in the Temu app right now, and if you download the Temu app, it's going to give you a whole bunch of extra stuff. You get this spin to get some bundle, and you're getting coupons. And I got a $200 coupon, but it comes in bundles. You got to pay attention to that. It's not like just $200 off. It's going to be like it's like a buy more, save more type of deal when you, see, here we go, $300 coupons. And then it'll tell you got to spend something first. So you got to spend $95.77 to get $300 coupon bonus. And then what will happen, then they'll have like a buy more, save more type of setup. So here's some stuff that I got. I got some a Bluetooth speaker. It was $25. We'll see how that is. I got some cut resistant sleeves for $6.49. And then I forgot what this is. I think I got just a bunch of, it's like paracord bracelets. I used to make those a while ago and sell them. But paracord bracelets but with knives in them. They got blades in them. And then I got these electric clippers. I have a pair of these, which I was sent, and I'm going to do a review on them. But I just want to see how they compare. I mean, $4.99. The other ones that I got, now $4.99. And then finally, I got this thing to go on your faucet. I have one, and then I lost the adapter like immediately. I don't know what I did with it, so I need another one. And it wasn't $2.98 either. It was more like $12 or something. So anyway, that's Temu. I'm gonna let y'all know what it's like when I get the rest of the stuff in. But so far, everything's been good except for that one little flashlight, which I'll make a video on. You guys are gonna see that. If you have any questions about my experience, leave them in the comments. You'll have some discount codes in the description as well. And I'll see you guys next time.